Data security and privacy protection for cloud storage, a survey. Abstract. A large number of researchers, academia, government sectors, and business enterprises are adopting the cloud environment due to the least upfront capital investment, maximum scalability, and several other features of it. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. Data security and privacy protection for cloud storage, a survey home page. Data owner will register with their details. Data owner will register with their details. Data owner will log into the system when the CSP accepts the request. CSP will log into the system using default credentials. Home page for cloud. CSP can view the data owners who are registered. They can log in if CSP accept the registration request. View all data owner. CSP can view the data users who are registered. They can log in if CSP accepts the registration request. Welcome to Cloud Home page. Owner can view their profile. Data owner will upload files. Data owner will upload files. Data owner will view all files which are uploaded by him in ciphertext format. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.